In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Facebook Marketplace without your friends seeing. So here's what you need to do. It's very simple. So first go to facebook.com and then you can do this on the phone or on the computer. Then go ahead and go over to the Marketplace section. So click here and it will take you to Marketplace here. You can see all of the available items that you can buy in. What you need to do is go to create a new list and then click on item for sale or whatever category or item fits in here. Maybe it's a property or a vehicle. Once you have done that, it will take you to this window here. You can see your listings preview, so you can go ahead and add your photos of your item like you usually would do. So let's go ahead and just select a photo here. So I'm listing for this video a TV. So here it is. We're then going to enter in a title. So I just say TV for sale, enter in a price. So go through all of this listing and enter in all of your details here. So it sells faster. If you put more information, it's going to sell faster. But anyway, scroll down here. And if you want to hide it from your friends, there's a hide from friends button and it's going to make the listing still public. But when your friends go on Marketplace, they're not going to be able to see it. So if you check this and click next and then publish your listing, it will be live and it will be public, but your friends on Facebook won't be able to see it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.